Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been keeping up with the latest tech trends, you know that AI is revolutionizing just about every industry. But you don't need to be a tech expert to get started with AI. Today, I'm going to walk you through 10 easy-to-use AI tools that can make your life a whole lot simpler. Whether you're a content creator, a business owner, or just someone curious about the power of AI. First up, we've got ChatGPT, the AI chatbot from OpenAI. It's a game changer for everything from answering questions to writing essays or brainstorming ideas. You can use it for quick help or dive deep into complex topics. It's like having an intelligent assistant in your pocket. ChatGPT can even help you with coding, customer support, or just generating creative content in minutes. It's simple, powerful, and free to try. Next, we've got Canva, and yes, they've integrated some powerful AI features. With their AI-powered design tools, you can create stunning graphics, presentations, or even social media posts. No design experience required. From automatic image background removal to generating personalized content suggestions, Canva's AI is perfect for quickly producing professional quality designs. Looking to write faster? Meet Jasper, an AI writing assistant that can help you generate blog posts, ad copy, social media captions, and more. Jasper uses advanced algorithms to mimic your writing style, making it easier to produce quality content in no time. Whether you're a marketer or a blogger, Jasper's AI writing tools are a must-have for boosting productivity. Descript is a game changer for video and podcast creators. It transcribes your audio and video content automatically and lets you edit by simply editing text. Yes, you can edit audio like a Word document. Whether you're cutting a podcast or creating YouTube videos, Descript's AI-powered tools make editing faster and smoother. Next, we've got Otter.ai. This tool is perfect for anyone who needs to transcribe meetings, interviews, or lectures. Otter uses AI to transcribe in real time and can even summarize long conversations for you. Whether you're in business, education, or journalism, Otter's AI transcription service will save you hours of manual work. Need to write killer copy fast? Copy.ai helps you generate persuasive marketing copy, social media posts, and product descriptions with the power of AI. It's like having a creative team on standby. Perfect for entrepreneurs and marketers, Copy.ai helps you overcome writer's block and get your message out quicker. Creating videos has never been easier than with Lumen 5. This AI-powered video creation tool transforms your blog posts or articles into engaging videos in minutes. It's an ideal tool for social media marketers and content creators looking to repurpose written content into high-quality videos without the hassle. Runway ML offers a suite of creative AI tools for video editing, image generation, and more. With this tool, you can remove backgrounds, add effects, and even generate images from text prompts, all powered by machine learning. Runway is perfect for filmmakers, designers, and anyone working in creative industries who wants to supercharge their workflow with AI. Everyone's heard of Grammarly, but did you know it's powered by AI? It's not just for spelling and grammar. It also suggests ways to improve clarity, tone, and style. It's like having a personal editor right in your browser. Whether you're drafting an email or writing a report, Grammarly makes sure your words always hit the mark. Last but definitely not least, we have Midjourney, an AI tool that lets you create stunning, realistic artwork just by typing in a text prompt. From surreal landscapes to futuristic cityscapes, Midjourney's AI can bring your wildest imaginations to life. Perfect for designers, artists, and anyone looking to generate unique visuals, Midjourney is the ultimate AI-powered art tool. So there you have it, 10 easy-to-use AI tools that can make a big impact on your productivity, creativity, and workflow. Which one are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tech tips. Until next time, keep exploring the world of AI.